What's up, you guys? Indy here, and today I am going to try skating in the viral Crocs Heelys. I don't know. Alright, I saw this clip on TikTok from Happy Kelly, and she's this dancer that is full of energy. I love watching her stuff. It just makes me very happy. It's appropriate that her name is Happy Kelly. And anyways, she just had a clip where she got these Crocs Heelys and was just cruising.
Wait, are you serious?
And I loved it, and I immediately went and bought these online, and now I am making my own video. All right, so I don't think I can actually call these Heelys, so Heelys, please don't sue me. These are like homemade. You can see, I got them on Etsy. So somebody actually took the Croc and like cut out a chunk. You can see where they were cutting it right there to put in the actual wheel in the back. So this is definitely like not approved by Heelys. And in fact, they even gave me this like warning label that was like, we do not recommend using these. But hey, we're gonna do it anyways. Let's see, let's take a look at these. Let's inspect. They cut out the hole for the wheel. Let's see what that looks like in here. Oh look, they put like a Dr. Scholl's in there. That's interesting. It's stuck pretty good in there, so I'm not gonna rip it out, but it looks like they have like a plastic backing that the wheel is attached to. So I guess they probably 3D printed that little part. They look like they might actually be pretty comfy with that Dr. Scholl's. Let's get them on and give them a try. Are you ready? You ready for this?
Do it.
I'm gonna try them for the first time. You know what? Wait. Let me get my helmet.
Yeah.
Safety first, kids. All right, you ready? Here we go. Drum roll, please. Ready? 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 Whoa. Woo, okay, okay, okay. Oh God, I got stuck. Ready? I'm walking. I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm rolling, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm rolling. Let's see what we can do in these things. Let's go. We are about to get into full-on X Games montage mode. We're gonna see what I can do on these guys, get some tricks going. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But before we get going, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Indy Jones, and be sure to subscribe for more episodes just like this. I don't know if y'all know about Crocs, but this is regular mode. Then if you turn it into X Games mode, ching, you can go up a level. Ching. Ready? Here we go. Oh my God. That was very So they are definitely 100% a novelty product. I've already rolled my ankle a couple of times. Because as you can see, it's like wobbly, you know, and like my foot can easily slip off. See that? So if I'm ever like running really fast and then turning, my foot like slips out. So that's a little bit sketchy. The thing that cracks me up the most is that I sound like I'm wearing those little plastic heels that you wear when you're a kid. Like, listen to this. As far as actually walking in these, it's not super comfortable, it's a bit awkward, and I feel like I'm wearing little plastic princess heels. So they're, ow, ow, oh, ow. Okay. I think the best thing about these is the joke, you know, being able to be like, hey, look you guys, I got some new Crocs, and then be like, oh, look what they do. Just a joke. Make some fun videos, make some fun TikToks. Thank you guys so much for watching me goof around on my Crocs rolly shoes. I hope you had a good time. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, later skaters.